Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display. Over here, scroll down again and click on Font Size and Style. Then go into Font Styles and tap on one of those fonts, like Gothic Bold. And now, as you can see, when I go back, my font style has changed. But you can always go into Font Size and Styles, tap on Font Style and choose Download Fonts. Over here, click on this icon next to the font that you wish to download, like that one. Wait a bit. And simply go back. Now you need to click on it in those settings, and as you can see, it was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!